Hi, I'm Kieran from MeCAD Systems, and today in this video I'm going to take you through how to work with equations and how to set them up. So as you can see in my current model, there is one equation called thickness, and that equation is controlled by my sheet metal. From here we're going to add in a few extra equations. What I'm going to do is go to tools, go to equations, and from here I can say equals to A, or rather let's name this one relation A. From there I'm going to say equals to, so global variable, and you see it'll give me the list of global variables that I already have. You can also use different functions such as sine, cos, and all the different cosec, cots, and different mathematical expressions. Under here as well you can use different file masses, densities, and volumes. So for example, you could use something as a ratio to your mass. You can use it as a ratio to the density or as a ratio to the volume. The possibilities are endless with this example. So from here we're going to say that A would be equals to 200, for example, and we can say B is going to be equal to let's say 50 for this example. Sorry, there, it's equals to 50. And let's do those for now. We can say let's make C as well equals to 25. Okay, what we're then going to do here is we're just going to add it in. So we say A equals to A, so we can just select it either from your global variables, or you can actually type in equals to A and say okay. Okay, then from here we're going to say equals to B, so let's do this variable, so it's the 50, so equals to global variable function B, so okay, and then we're going to say equals to global variable function C. Okay, why do we use equations? Equations are very nice for productivity, so when you need to make changes on the fly or you need to link certain geometries. So in this example, I know that if my box is 200 mm long, it has to be half the width. So for this example, I'm then just going to link my 100 mm dimension to my 200 mm. So what I'd like to do is say equals to, I'm then going to select this dimension and say times, which is the asterisk sign, 0.5. That means that there's a 2:1 ratio in this example. I'm then just going to rebuild. I'm going to save it just to make sure that my equations are active. From here I'm going to say tools, and now let's see how our changes propagate. So important to notice the 200 and the 100 are linked, so they have a 2:1 relationship. So let's go and change that to 400, and we say the 50 can change to 100, and our final dimension is the 25. Let's change that to 50. Okay, let's go then say okay, and notice how my box has now changed. Equations are very useful to use, and I advise use it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more to come.